It's cold out there. Well, tonight, guys, I just realized I failed to upload my last video of a walkthrough of a camp. So I'm actually going to combine this camp and the last camp in a walkthrough. So tonight I'm going to go through this camp, show you some of the features of it. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, this is a Bear's Den model, so it's got the recliners, the lower bed. But this one's got some different things, washer, dryer, some more storage options, lots of things like that. So we'll go ahead, walk through these camps, and hopefully you find something that you like. Well, as you can see, guys, there's not much I can show you on the outside as it's winter and it's dark, so gotta love that. So we'll spend our time on the inside. I probably should have turned the porch light on. So right off the bat, this is something a little bit different. This is a washer dryer combo that they had us put in. I want to say that this camp's going to be pretty stationary on a piece of property. I don't know if they're using it as an Airbnb or a guest house or something. So they kind of wanted a laundry room. So as you can see, they have two giant closets up above and then some big banks of drawers to put stuff in. And then as we come in, you have your big fridge freezer combo, your microwave oven. This does have the air fry on it, which is a favorite of my wife's. And then you have a dinette. This will fold down, make into a bed. You've got a queen size bed there. They opted out of the bunk in this one. Recliners. These will recline almost flat, so you can sleep people there as well. And then they added a lot of electrical outlets and stuff too, so sounds to me like this one will be plugged in, even though it is equipped with their solar panels and everything. Lots of windows with these barnwood walls. Gives it lots of natural light in here. And then they did darker walls on your end walls. Gas light, stereo monitoring system. This one did come equipped with the heated tanks, so we can turn them on in the colder months and not worry about freezing tanks or anything that way. And then they went almost a little bit higher bed just so that they could have more drawers below the bed. So a little bit higher bed, but still lots of storage above, even without doing the bunk. They were going to provide their own mattress. And they have their entertainment center. They'll have a big TV here. Wood stove. You can see it's smoldering. It's about, I think when I looked, it was about 22 degrees outside. So we got that smoke stoked up and about to roast this out of here. Big, deep, single sink, stainless. For a single sink, that's a really big single sink. But then more storage, drawers and storage below the range. And then lots of overhead storage in this one as well. Bathroom. Well, that's a quick look at that one, the interior anyways. If you guys want me to go into more detail on some things, I definitely can. I try and keep these short. If you're like me, you're short on time. So, you know, if I can keep it 5-10 minutes, it's a lot easier for you guys to see, get some ideas. But yeah, if you'd like to see something more in depth, please let me know. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. It really helps us get our product out there. It's the way that a lot of people find us. So yeah, I appreciate you guys commenting, liking, and sharing our videos. So anyways, hope you like this camp. As you can see though, the smoke's just rolling out, just started it, so should be burning pretty good in there now. But we're gonna walk in here and show you. I'm not gonna go through the normal stuff that I generally do, you know, the closet, all that stuff. I'll just show you what's different about this one. I mean, I can walk through and kind of show you. Got some dust going on. This one's not quite finished. This one I'll get a microwave. And some little things. I'm just waiting on some materials, but kind of cool. But the biggest thing that you're going to notice as we look back at this trundle bed area, this one has a king size bed, and it's actually running north and south rather than east to west. So makes it nice. You don't have to climb over each other. Still has the trundle bed, but one thing that's different about this one, they actually wanted some steps that pulled out. So this one has some pull out steps so they can get up and down out of bed. It actually has, this one's got some split cushions. So you can remove these and you can see there's a bunk latch here. That top will actually pull out as well. So it'll make an extra step if you need a little more step to get up into bed. But kind of cool, a little different. I have a couple other camps coming up with north and south beds and kind of some different layouts that way. But this one, I mean, they wanted to maintain the traditional look with the trundle bed setup, but they also wanted to incorporate, you know, a north and south bed. And so we were able to accommodate them in that. But really nice layout. Still has your pull-out table. Some accent lights up top. Go ahead and fold these back in. But yeah, that's one of the options. These have the drawers underneath them too. So you're still maintaining a lot of storage. These have the cubbies in them, so they open up. Storage in there. You've got your soup boxes still, all your storage underneath. But yeah, that's about the only thing that differs. Oh, one thing also in this one has a really big shower in it. This is a 36 by 36. So super big shower. And that's an option too. This one, like I say, is not finished, so it'll be getting your shower door and everything. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this setup as far as the bed and stuff. Maybe what you'd change, how you'd do it different, what you'd like in your camp. You can leave the comments below or comment on any of our social media pages. So anyways, thanks for watching.